The bees are coming in for the night. They're bringing in all their nectar. It's about 6:30 here in New Hampshire, Rochester, New Hampshire. My hive has been thriving, and we're hoping to get a little bit of honey. We want to make sure that they have enough for the winter to sustain themselves throughout the winter. I'm not sure what happened last year, but they did not survive, and we have to condense the top box into just 2 boxes because the cozy that I have that slides over top is only made for two deeps, and so we have to condense it at some point, probably in September, and then during the winter we'll start feeding sugar patties, and hopefully the bees will survive and maybe we can get some honey to sell. We get about $10 a 16-ounce jar, and I'm not sure what prices are in different areas of the country, but in New Hampshire it's about $10 for 1 pound of honey. But I'm gonna try and focus in on all of them coming in. They're doing great. This batch of bees that I got from, they came through the mail through a U.S. Postal Service, and there were at least half the bees were dead on the bottom, but the queen was alive, and I'm really surprised they made it throughout the entire summer, and they are thriving. And we have a little water trough here. It doesn't look very good, but I'll go over here. We have a lake, not a lake, excuse me, Cachiko River, and the sun's going to be setting soon, but so it might reflect off here, but so they have a water source, and I think some of them, we call this bamboo, but it's invasive something that looks like bamboo. I'll try and focus in on that. I don't think bamboo grows in New England, but you can't get rid of this stuff. But I think the bees like that. I'm trying to focus on one that's on there right now. But so I just thought I'd share this little video with you. Let me get a picture of the hive again and them coming in for the day. And I'm pretty proud this year how well they've done. My hives don't match pretty very well. I like the purple, but I had to buy a new hive, the Hoover Hive Company. I really like it. It's really sturdy, but you can't paint it. So the purple is from last year, and the gray is from a hive that I brought from my friend. And so maybe next year I'll have 2 hives, and that will incorporate this one. This one's empty right now, but I have to put some cement blocks under it and get it all set up, and I'll probably buy some more bees for that one, because I don't know how to split hives and do all that jazz. Even though I've been doing this for quite some time, I don't know how to split hives, and so, but we'll see how it goes. I'll be doing more videos and keeping updates. Have a good night.